7th NCERT Maths, Chapter 4th, Exercise 4.3, Question number 1. Solve the following equations. This is the equation. In this equation, we need to take out the value of y. So, other terms will be shifted to right hand side. 2y is equal to 5 by 2 will be shifted to right hand side. After taking LCM, we will solve. We will get 32 by 2. Here in left hand side, it is 2y. But we need the value of y. So, 2 will be also shifted to the right hand side. Y is equal to 16. 2 will be denominator of 16. So y value will be 8. So y is equal to 8. So this is the solution of question number first, A part. Question number first, other parts, B to J part, you can try yourself with the same procedure as I have told. Question number first, A part. So this is question number first, A part. NCERT 7th Math Exercise 4.3, question number second. Solve the following equation. Here A part, it is the equation. We need to find out the value of x. 2 will be inside term will be multiplied with 2. 2x, 4 to 8, right hand side 12. We need the value of x. The other terms will be shifted to right hand side. 8 will be shifted to right hand side. The sign will be changed. 12 minus 8 will be 4. 2x. We need just x. So 2 will be also shifted to right hand side. Here it is in multiplication, right hand side it will be division. 2 to the 4, x value is 2. So this is the solution of question number second. Other parts B, C, D, E you can try yourself with the same procedure as I have told question number second, A part. NCERT 7th class maths exercise 4.3, question number third. Solve the equations. So this is E part. Other parts you can try yourself. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. Here this is the equation. Inside term will be multiplied with 4. 16 plus 4m minus 24. Now left hand side it is 0, but we need the value of m left hand side, because if we will solve the equation third, we need to take out the value of m, because m is only the variable. So m term will be shifted to left hand side. It will be of minus. Plus sign will be changed in minus sign. Other terms already in right hand side. It will be written as it is. Minus 4m. 16 minus 24. It will be minus 8. In equal, left hand side also minus sign and right hand side also. Minus minus can be cancelled. It will be left m. We need just m value. So 4 also will be shifted to right hand side. It will be denominator of 8. Here it is in multiplication. Right hand side it will be changed in division. 8 upon 4. 4 to 8. M value is 2. So this is E part of question third. Question third, other parts A, B, C, D you can try yourself with the same procedure as I have told. E part. Question third, E part. NCERT 7th class maths chapter 4 exercise 4.3, question number 4. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. Means 3 equations which we have to tell. After solving we should get x is equal to 2. Means value of x should be 2. So these equations we have to construct ourselves. If we will write x upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled, to x is equal to 2 we will get easily. Second equation, 5x minus 3 is equal to 7. If we will solve it, 5x, 3 will be shifted to that side. It will be right hand side 10. So 5x is equal to 10, x value will be 2. If we will write 7x is equal to 14, x will be left hand side, 7 will be shifted to right hand side, 7 to 14 it will be 2. So these types many equations you can make, as I have made these 3 equations. I have constructed these 3 equations. You can also construct just after solving value should be x is equal to 2. So fourth part, B part also you can try yourself. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to -2. So with the same procedure as I have told fourth A, you can solve fourth B. Try yourself.